Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these awesome toys that were sent to me from Sensoryland UK, which is an online store that sells lots of amazing fidget toys. The first one I have here is a push popper. This is like bubble wrap and it's super fun. To use it, you just press the bubbles down and they make a popping sound, then you flip it over and start again. And what's really special about this one is that when you turn the lights off, it glows brightly in the dark. I also received this simple dimple fidget spinner. It has 3 colourful buttons you can pop and the fidget spinner can spin for up to 30 seconds. The next one I have here is this pea pod shaped fidget toy. It's really cute and because of its pocket size you can carry it anywhere and fidget with it again and again. And the last fidget toy I have is this textured monkey noodle. This one is really cool because you can stretch and pull it and it will bounce right back into shape. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these fidget toys. Also, make sure to check out Sensoryland UK, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!